Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video is an unboxing video. I bought a new product for our channel. Guess what it is? Now I'm going to break the suspense. Is iPad mini. It's my first Apple product. I'm so excited to unbox it. Okay, let's open it. Here is our new mini iPad. Wow, it's look amazing. Let's take it. Wow, my new iPad. It's Apple brand. It looks very amazing. It's gold color, my favorite, so I bought it in gold. Okay friends, I finished the setup and then I continue. Let's see what we get in the package. A lightning cable, a booklet designed by Apple in California, and a charger. Okay, my dad is going to make the settings. Dad is opening the cover. Wow, it looks very beautiful. My iPad mini. Oh, it looks beautiful. The picture looks very beautiful. Okay friends, our iPad is ready now. And it's very smooth to use. Let's play Brawl Stars and more games in this iPad. See you in the live stream. Thank you.